Organizational breakdown structure. What is the structure and how are we breaking it down? Hi, I'm Ishmeet and I'm here today with you to give you a brief about organizational breakdown structure. Organizational breakdown structure is a model which is arranged hierarchically, giving ideas about the framework of the organization. It is useful in project planning, time and cost spent tracking, resource management, cost allocation, profit reporting, and work management. So, organizational breakdown structure, or what we typically call OBS, is a model that helps to recognize which employee is doing which work in the project. It determines which department or which team or which particular employee is working on which task. To achieve this goal, the project is divided into parts and is assigned different departments to work on with an assigned budget. It is a tool that manages the work by dividing the parts of the project according to the roles and responsibilities that are available in the organization. It organizes the product and tasks involved in the project and also looks after the issues that will be arising in the future. Organizational breakdown structure is related to work breakdown structure in a way that it is responsible for accomplishing a part of the work breakdown structure. This method is checked and carried out by the Responsibility Assignment Matrix or RAM that helps in the scope definition of the project. Of course, the structure of OBS is managed and assigned by the project manager. The modifications or amendments can be done whenever required on the basis of the size, the complexity, and scope of the project. A successful and effective OBS is one that gives a proper understanding of the roles and responsibilities of the resources involved by taking into account the scope, objective, and the stakeholders of the project. It maintains a proper balance in the organization by reducing the cost, maintaining the quality of the product, and also submitting the project within the deadline, which means increasing the efficiency. Do you now observe that you might have noticed someone using OBS, or you yourself might have used OBS unknowingly in a crisis, maybe on a minor scale or on a major scale, to solve your problems? Let us know in the comments below if you've had such experiences. So now let's discuss what are the steps involved in organizational breakdown structure. Initially, the scope of the project should be clearly mentioned to the organization and the working environment has to be set accordingly. The stakeholders must be identified who can influence the working of the project. After the completion of the mentioning of the scope and objectives of the project, the resource requirement must be mentioned. These requirements will initiate the work process. The activities that will be carried out have to be checked and recorded. This is the work breakdown structure. After the work breakdown structure is complete, the roles are assigned to the employees on the basis of the Responsibility Assignment Matrix or RAM as we discussed before. The work breakdown structure and organizational breakdown structure is united and the work on the project is thus carried out. We would only use a model or a process if it has benefits or if it adds value. So does OBS. Let's see what are the benefits that OBS gives to our project. A project revolves around various constraints such as that of time, cost, scope, and many more. The constraints can be organized very well with the help of OBS. This proper management of resources helps in determining the requirements of the project easily. With the starting of the OBS, the process of scheduling becomes easier. The data about the allocation of resources is present in the OBS, and an estimation is made accordingly, which results in less consumption of time. It is useful to identify the resource who is responsible for any fault or error occurring in the project. It also improves the communication among the members of the organization, which results in proper management and execution of the project. It ensures that all the requirements are available on time, the project is completed on time, and is delivered on time. Organizational breakdown structure manages every complex problem very smoothly. When there is an overlapping of different phases, OBS comes into the picture and helps in identifying the person who can solve the issue. The problem is then rectified and an accurate project is delivered at the end. It becomes easier when every individual is aware of their roles and responsibilities in the project. The problems in this way can be solved with the help of organizational breakdown structure. In fact, OBS forms the basis of many other breakdown structures, such as that of risk breakdown structure, cost breakdown structure, resource breakdown structure, and feature breakdown structure. If you'd like to know more about such topics on project management or about organizational breakdown structure, I'll recommend you a book called Love, Empathy, and Project Management. You can check the description for the link of the book. So this is how organizational breakdown structure can help us have an effective management system. I hope that the topic was clear, and for more such informational videos, you can watch the videos on Pixel App's YouTube channel. Have a nice day.